Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to remove viruses from your Android device. So first of all, launch any web browser that you frequently use. I'm going to launch Google Chrome. Now, once you come here, you can see three dots at the top right corner. Tap on it. From here, go ahead and tap on History. Now over here, you'll see the option of Delete Browsing Data. Tap on it. Now at the top right corner, you can see Last 24 hours. So this is the time range given that will allow you to delete those specific browsing data. Tap on it. Now over here, you'll see the option of All Time. Tap on it. After this, simply tap on the option of Delete Data. So this is one of the methods you could use in order to delete unwanted tabs from your Android devices that may have any viruses. So another step you would want to do in order to fix your issue and remove viruses is that launch Settings on your Android devices. From here, scroll down below and tap on General Management. From here, scroll down below and tap on the option of Reset. Then scroll down below and you'll see the option of Factory Data Reset. Tap on it. Now once you come here, scroll down till the bottom. And then if you tap on the option of Reset, this is another method you could remove viruses from your Android device by factory resetting your device. Now the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch Google Play Store. From here, go ahead and tap on Search at the bottom right. Now go to the search bar and simply search for antivirus. From here, you can see various applications that will allow you to remove any type of viruses from your Android devices. You could download any one of it so that you can keep your Android device secure. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.